Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry about this look. I tried following James Charles' Holiday Slay makeup tutorial. This is how it was meant to look. And this is how it looks. Keep watching. You can see me have a mental breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Show me some support, man, because this video is traumatic. Let's roll the clip.
Go ahead and jump right in this.
James already has his eyebrows done. Why do beauty YouTubers assume that we can all do our eyebrows and they don't need to teach us anymore? Like, I need help. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're back with eyebrows done, although not very well. Actually, has he got his skin done? He's got his face done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye look anyway. I don't even have the palette he's using. I have, that is similar to what he's got, is the Naked Heat palette and the Morphe 15D Day Slayer, which doesn't look like this. Talk to me, James. Talk to me.
I'm first gonna get my M441 brush and dip into this middle transition shade.
So I have in the crease, this one here. I'm just gonna pop it there. Okay, it looks similar. Well, it's not as bright. Why is it not coming out as bright?
This color, I'm gonna grab an R39 brush and dip into this burnt orange shade right up in here.
I'm gonna go in with this Primark blusher, only because it looks the closest. He's going in with an R32 brush. I don't have a clue what that is.
These shades, I would always hold the brush like this, completely parallel, or horizontal, there we go, to my face. But for this, I'm actually kind of holding the brush downwards to really get it up in that crease and make sure it doesn't blend any higher. We are gonna be cutting out the crease today, so it's okay if everything gets on the lid.
It's gone everywhere. It's gone higher. James, it's gone higher. How? Oh, he's got like a really good V thing going on. I don't. I'm gonna have chocolate break. It's just hard work, man.
This area, which you'll see in a few seconds, but I am gonna be blending in between every step to make sure that none of the colors get muddied together. I'm next gonna grab another clean R39 brush. This brush is
I'd like to know where he's pulling out all these clean brushes from. I don't feel like they make these tutorials for the average human. I don't have this many clean brushes. I don't know what brushes you're talking. Don't get stressed.
With this burnt darker orange shade right up in here.
He used a darker burnt orange shade. I'm gonna go in with He Devil on my Naked Heat palette.
But we are just gonna wanna make sure every color we go in with, we're using a smaller brush.
But he's telling me I need to go in with a smaller brush. Is he going back in on the crease?
More and more dark and defined with each time, and once again, not getting too muddy.
I look horrendous. Oh my god. Do I look like him? I need a chocolate break. Okay, what have you got for me now?
I'm next gonna grab a smaller, more defined brush. This is the M507, and I'm gonna dip into this like reddy toned brown shade up in here, and I'm gonna use this to deepen up once again the crease in the outer V.
Don't go in with too much product. I am not even using the right brushes. He said everything's a little wonky and stuff, and I feel like that's exactly what mine's looking like.
Make those iconic, beautiful, blended out, smoky eyes.
I don't feel like these are gonna be anything other than blended out, smoky, iconic eyes, James.
So this is where things are going to start to get more complicated.
How? I just feel like I need to go back in with more. I don't feel like I'm looking like you, James. Like, you know, you shouldn't do tutorials like this without a helpline or something.
I'm going to grab my M149 brush, which is this very, very tiny pencil brush, and dip into the black shade in the bottom corner.
Okay, I can't get any smaller than what I've got, James.
And use this to deepen out that crease. Or the outer V, not the crease.
Oh my god, okay. Please don't throw me off like that again.
Black on the pencil brush, I'm going to take this and I'm going to tap it right into the outer V.
Oh my god. Okay, James, I need help. Oh, I'm panicking. I feel like we've lost the look.
To blend that black out, I'm going to grab my M507 brush once again and dip into this cool tone brown shade up in here and just lightly go over those edges.
I'm going to go with Low Blow on my Naked Heat palette.
Like I was saying, adding a little bit of black can quickly get too intense, and I think this definitely just did.
Intense is a word which I probably would not use for this. Oh my god, oh my god.
It's just what we're gonna have to deal with today. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut out the crease.
Right, what are we going in with?
I'm gonna grab my Morphe cream shadow in the shade Copper today, which is this beautiful orangey shade as the base, of course.
I don't have a beautiful coppery orange shade, James. I'm gonna use concealer, James Charles, because I don't have what you're using. What am I doing?
To carve out this crease. I'm just filling this in like normal, but then once I get to the outer corner, instead of just fading out the edges, I'm actually gonna pull the shadow once again with that defined brush, and I'm gonna make kind of a loop back around to the lower lash line.
of loop. Yep, it looks great, James. It looks great.
Just for an extra little pop on top, I'm gonna grab the Stila Liquid Metals in the shade Bronze Bell and just pat a little bit of this over top of that Morphe cream eyeshadow.
Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pat down. I'll show you what this is in a minute. Oh my god, it's going everywhere. Should I have used something else?
The last and final step of my upper lash line today is actually gonna be to grab the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, and I'm gonna really lightly outline that outer curve.
James telling me to outline this. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's on my top lid. Oh my god. Okay, we can rescue it. We can rescue it. Guys, I've actually just put some foundation on because I was fed up of feeling like a corpse. Do you know what? Forget it. Forget it.
For lashes today,
okay, I can do lashes. Oh my god, it's all up there. You know what? It is what it is. Life's life. Sometimes you just gotta roll with it, you know? I wonder what sorcery you've got for me next, James.
once the lashes are blended together, I'm gonna grab a black liner pencil.
Now, I don't have a black eyeliner. But I do have the Goof Proof brow pencil. And you know what? If it's good enough for me, it's good enough for me.
No, I hate doing this.
I hate doing it too. I feel you, sis.
That bitch that gets the turkey first.
Okay, so I'm gonna be nice and intense because I want the turkey first. Oh, if everything's not smudged before, it 100% is now. This hurts. Ah!
For the lower lash line, I'm gonna grab an R39 brush.
I'm leaving the lower lash line for a minute. I'm gonna go in and conceal and bronze and then come back to that. So for concealer, I am going to use the L'Oreal True Matte. Oh, it's so wet. Okay, I don't know what's going on in this eye here. It says to me, you don't follow rules, Chloe. James Charles, you need a support line because I need support in this. Oh my god. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm going to dab it in all the excess we've got here. I don't like to bake for too long because I prefer not to feel like a little dry raisin. Do I want blush for this look? Is he wearing blush? James, talk to me. Are you wearing blush? Okay, I'm going to go in with my NYX matte bronzer. I'm going to go in now with my Primark blusher. This is the best blusher ever used. James is wearing highlighter, so I'm going to wear highlighter. Oh no, I feel like we've gone for a totally different look here.
Shade and just run that all around the lower lash.
Bright orange again. I've got the hang of this. Okay, I don't hate it. My shadow's also getting very low, so I'm also going to do the same as you.
And I'm just gonna grab any flat top brush and I'm gonna dip into the Ready Brown shade and I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line.
By this point, I'm just using any colours.
Finally, I'm just gonna grab a flat top rounded brush and use this to highlight my brow bone using, of course, what other than my Anastasia Illuminator in So Hollywood.
Oh no, it's so gold. I'm so gold. Really sorry. I feel like I've taken your look and I've turned it into something completely different. I don't know how I was expecting it to look the same when I don't have the same stuff as you, but...
Then same thing on a pencil brush in that inner corner.
I'm going to take this small brush and do it. Although I have a lot of gold already on everywhere on my eye.
Okay guys, and those are both eyes all complete.
He's got powder on his nose. Why has he got powder on his nose? Why has he got powder? When did he put powder on his nose?
But I feel like we are definitely not blending enough. I mean,
no, his powder's gone.
I'm gonna go in and lightly spritz my face using the Tatcha, of course, you guessed it, my Anastasia So Hollywood Illuminator.
He's highlighting again.
I'm gonna go into the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade.
This is the closest shade I could find. Oh no. Oh no. I do not like this. In fact, I actually hate this colour. Guys, I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie in Satin Ribbon. I'm shook. I'm really shook right now of what's going on. Shall I put a bit of this over the top? Do you know what? I don't think you can get... This look cannot get any worse. I'm going to go over it with Primark's Nudes. I have no words. I'm so sorry. Guys, if you please, this killed me. Subscribe, there'll be so much more coming up. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, or what my plans are, but there'll be a new video next week. Thank you guys, I'm really sorry. Jay,
Yo.
come here. What do you think of my makeup?